I am Freedom Green. I've been at JR for 6 years since August of 16. I am currently a backup lead and trainer on day shift. Most of the time I just go around and help people if I can, or if I need to run a machine, I run a machine. And if there's someone to train, I train them. I really like JR because they make you feel appreciated. Not very many companies do that. That's one thing that's kept me here. I've met a lot of really good people along the way, and when there's someone down or somebody in need, we all come together and try to help that person, and it's just a good company to work for. The health insurance is really good. The benefits are great, the incentives that you get are great. I referred a friend way back and he came to work for me. He's still here currently, and we both got the referral bonus as well. They currently bumped that up to $1,600 referral program. I've never worked for a company that has a whole week dedicated to appreciating their employees. I couldn't ask for a better company to work for. If you're looking for a great place to work, go to jrmanufacturing.net.